Hi, I'm George Woodbury from College of the Sequoias in Visalia, California, and in this video, we're going to go over how to use the compound interest formula to find present value. Now, before I read the problem, let me write down the formula one time. It is A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R divided by N, all raised to the N times T power. And one strategy that we can use here, and let me just spin this around. I'm going to change the orientation here just a little bit. And I know that we've made this a little smaller to make this work, but I wanted to show you a different strategy for this problem. So one thing that we can do is down the left-hand side of the page, list all the variables in the formula. A, P, R, N, and T. Then when we read through the problem, we can start putting them in the right place in the table. It'll let us know which variable we're looking for. It's a really good way to set these up carefully. So how much needs to be invested at 6% annual interest compounded quarterly to reach a balance of $1,000 in 5 years? So put that all on the screen now, and I'm going to start to read my way across. First, how much needs to be invested at 6% annual interest? That's my rate, R. Compounded quarterly, that's my value of N. This is being compounded 4 times per year, each quarter of the year. To reach a balance of $1,000, the balance is A. In 5 years, that is T. And what we don't know is the value of P. Now that should make sense because in the beginning of the problem, it says how much needs to be invested. That's the principal. So it makes sense that the principal is the one that we don't know. Now substituting into the formula, A is 1,000, P we don't know, so I'll leave that as P, times 1 plus 0.06 over 4 for R and N, raised to the 4 times 5 power. I want to clean up that right-hand side a little bit. 1,000 equals P times 1. 0.06 divided by 4 is 0.015. So this is 1.015. And the exponent, 4 times 5, is 20. So I can divide both sides of the equation by 1.015 to the 20th power. And that gives me the principal. Let's go to the decimals calculator. And I'm going to do 1,000 divided by 1.015, the exponent key, and 20. And rounding to 2 decimal places there, I have $742.47. And that's how we find the present value using the compound interest formula.